How to write threads on Twitter? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a Twitter X thread step by step. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Open the Twitter X app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the blue plus icon or the compose button, the feather icon at the bottom right corner. This will open the tweet editor. Type the first tweet of your thread. Keep it engaging so people want to read more. Instead of posting the first tweet immediately, tap the plus button at the bottom. This will allow you to add more tweets to your thread. Add each tweet one by one, keeping them connected to the main topic. You can include text, images, videos, GIFs, or links in each tweet. Check your tweets for spelling, grammar, and clarity. If needed, you can rearrange tweets by holding and dragging them. Once everything looks good, tap Post to publish the entire thread. Your tweets will appear in order, making it easy for followers to read. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.